Welcome back, viewers. Are you ready to harness the full potential of cloud computing? Discover the key to success with the game changing best practices. Unlock unparalleled scalability, flexibility, and cost efficiency while ensuring the security and data protection. With the proven strategies, you will optimize your cloud infrastructure, streamline operations, and drive innovation like never before. Embrace seamless collaboration, unleash the power of data analytics, revolutionize your business in the cloud. Join the ranks of industry trailblazers who have embraced cloud computing best practices to achieve the growth and competitive advantage. Let's take a deeper dive into the video for best practices of cloud security. Best practices of cloud security, it encompasses the most important 8 elements. They are very crucial. How to pick cloud provider, how to create a security training awareness plan, what needs to be done in terms of security assessments, what type of data encryption methodologies to be adopted, what is the continuous monitoring and logging plan for the organization, what needs to be done in case of any specific incident, how and when to update and upgrade the platform, any third party risk management. So these are all the 6 and 8 different elements that you need to be considered to move forward with any the cloud computing infrastructure. The first one is the cloud provider selection. I have given a very detailed video about cloud providers and metrics comparison between AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud Platform. I'm sharing the link here, and please watch that video because it will give more comprehensive insights about how to choose a cloud provider. When choosing a cloud provider, it is essential to evaluate their security measures, certifications, and compliance standards. Look for providers with a strong track record and transparent security policies. The process of selecting security providers is crucial for organizations to ensure they choose a provider that meets the specific needs and requirements, and here are the steps involved in the cloud provider selection process. Number one, define the requirement. The process of selecting cloud provider, you must need to understand the requirements. Begin with the clear defining definition of your organization's cloud requirements, objectives, and priorities. Consider factors such as scalability, performance, cost, security compliance, availability, and support. This step helps establish a clear set of criteria that will guide the selection process. Second one is research and evaluate the providers. Conduct a thorough research on potential cloud providers. Consider factors such as their reputation, experience, financial stability, service offerings, data center location, and security measures, compliance certification, and customer reviews. Evaluate their track record and their ability to meet your specific requirements. Third one is assess service offerings. Evaluate the service offerings of each cloud provider. Again, going back to my original video, please watch that video. I provide a lot of comprehensive details. Consider the types of cloud service providers they provide, such as infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. Access their the data and assess their compatibility with your organization's application, systems, and workloads. Consider security and compliance. Evaluate the security measures and compliance certification of each cloud provider, access their data encryption, access controls, identity and access management, incident response, disaster recovery capabilities. Ensure that provider complies with relevant industry regulations and standards applicable to your organization. Evaluate performance and scalability. It's an important factor. Consider these factors such as network connectivity, data center infrastructure, load balancing, storage options, and the ability to handle peak workloads. Determine whether the provider can support your organization growth and evolving needs. Cost analysis. Evaluate the cost structure and pricing models of each cloud provider. Consider factors such as upfront costs, subscription fees, data transfer costs, storage costs, or any additional charges. Compare the pricing with your organization budget and ensure transparency in cost calculation. Conduct a thorough proof of concept. Consider conducting a proof of concept or a pilot project with the shortlisted cloud providers. This allows you to test their services, performance, and compatibility with your applications and systems. It provides hands-on experience and helps validate the provider's claims and capabilities. Consider vendor lock-in and portability. Assess the potential vendor lock-in and the ease of portability between cloud providers. Consider factors such as data migration options, compatibility with industry standard, and the ability to integrate with other cloud services or on-prem systems. Finalize your decision. Based on the evaluation and analysis, select the cloud provider that best aligns with your needs and the requirements, objective, and budget. Consider factors such as reputation, security, performance, scalability, support, and overall value proposition. Contract and service level agreements negotiation. Once a cloud provider is selected, review and negotiate the contract and SLAs to ensure they align with your organization's requirements and expectations. Pay attention to terms such as data ownership, data privacy, termination clauses, and dispute resolution mechanism. Monitor and evaluate. Continuously monitor and evaluate the performance and service quality of the chosen cloud provider. Regularly assess their ability to meet SLAs, handle support requests, and address any issues or concerns that arise. Consider periodic reassessment to ensure the cloud provider continues to meet your evolving needs. Number two is security training and awareness. As a part of the best practices, the bigger picture which I shared, right? Number one is the cloud service provider selection process. The second one is the security training and awareness. Educate yourself and your employees about cloud security best practices and potential risk. Conduct regular training sessions to raise awareness about phishing attacks, social engineering, and other common security threats. Security training and awareness programs are essential for organizations to educate employees for security risk and best practices. Here is the detailed description of the components involved in the security training and awareness. Security policies and procedures. Start by developing comprehensive security policies and procedures that outline the organization's expectation for secure behavior. These document These documentation should cover topics such as acceptable use of technology resources, password management, data classification, incident reporting, and remote work security. Policies and procedures serve as the foundation of security training and awareness initiative. Security awareness training is so critical for all employees. These sessions should cover various security topics, including phishing attacks, social engineering, password hygiene, and safe browsing habits, physical security, and the importance of data protection. The training can be delivered through in person sessions, online modules, or a combination of both. Role-based training. Tailor your security training methods and plan to specific roles within the organization. Different job functions have unique security responsibilities, so training should address the specific risks and best practices relevant to each role. For example, IT staff might receive training on secure coding practices, while managers might receive training on incident response and data privacy regulations. Phishing simulations. Phishing simulations are mock phishing campaigns designed to test employees' susceptibility to phishing attacks. These simulations help employees recognize and report suspicious emails, avoid clicking on malicious links, and practice safe email practices. Simulations can be followed by targeted training and feedback to improve employees' ability to identify and mitigate phishing attempts. Incident response training. Provide training on incident response procedures and protocols. Employees should understand their roles and responsibilities in the event of a security incident, including whom to contact, how to report incidents, and what actions to take to contain and mitigate the impact of the incident. Regular drills and tabletop exercises can be conducted to reinforce incident response readiness. Secure remote work training. With the rise of the remote work, it is crucial to provide training on secure remote work practices, security updates, and news. Keep your employees informed about the latest security threats and vulnerabilities, also the best practices through regular communication channels such as email newsletters, intranet portals, or internal social media platforms. Ongoing reinforcement. Security training and awareness should be an ongoing process. Reinforce security messages through periodic reminders, posters, infographics, and quizzes. Encourage a culture of security awareness by integrating security topics into regular Teams meeting, performance evaluation, and company-wide events. Reporting and reward systems. Establish a clear reporting mechanism for security incidents or suspicious activities. Encourage every employee to report potential security risk without fear of reprisal. Implement a reward system to recognize and incentivize each employee who demonstrate exemplary security practices or report security incidents promptly. Metrics and evaluation. Measure the effectiveness of security training and awareness programs through metrics such as number of reported incidents, phishing simulation results, completion rates of training modules, and feedback from employees. Third party certificates and training process. Encourage employees to pursue relevant security certifications and external training programs. This can enhance their knowledge and expertise in specific security domains and contribute to the organization's overall security posture. Security training and awareness programs play a critical role in developing a security conscious culture within an organization. By educating employees, reinforcing best practices, promoting vigilance, organizations can significantly reduce the risk of security breaches and empower their workforce to be active participants in maintaining a secure working environment. Lot of thought process put together. I hope you enjoy this video. If you have more questions about cloud security best practices on the cloud provider selection and training on the security and assessments, feel free to reach out to us at 1855 cloud 340b or email us at contact@rctech.org. If you do like this video, please like, subscribe to our channel, share with your friends. If you have any question, put it in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you soon.